This is a customer's Ford vehicle. The original screen has limited functions. Today, we will upgrade it for them. Here is everything included in the product package. These are the tools needed. Prepare according to the situation. First, we remove the yellow panel on the left side of the air conditioning button panel. Then, remove the yellow panel on the right side of the air conditioning button panel. Now, we remove the black vent panel on the passenger side. Next, remove the small left vent. Here, we take off the yellow horizontal panel. After removal, it looks like this. Now, we remove the screws securing the button panel. Here, we need to take out the cigarette lighter panel. Disconnect all the wires behind it. After taking out the cigarette lighter, there are still screws inside. Otherwise, we can't remove the button panel. Now it's clear. We disconnect the 3 plugs behind the button panel. Next, we remove the screws securing the original head unit and screen. After unscrewing, take out the original head unit and screen. Disconnect all the plugs behind them. Everything is removed. Now for the installation. First, connect the 4G antenna, GPS antenna, RCA cable, and a USB cable to the new head unit. After connecting, we start connecting the power cables and the air conditioning panel. We reconnect the 3 plugs removed earlier to the air conditioning panel. Then find the appropriate port on the power cable and connect it to the air conditioning panel. There are many plugs on this power cable, but don't worry. It's simple, just compare the plugs from the original head unit to see if they match. If they fit, plug them in. If not, leave them. Next, connect the new head unit. This is the reverse camera cable. If your car has a factory camera, just plug it in and it will display. These are the original car's USB and radio cables. Connect all the cables and install everything. Then secure with the original screws. Reinstall the cigarette lighter panel. Now we put everything back. Turn on the system. First, adjust the settings and test the functions. Go to Factory Settings for the protocol. Protocol Settings. Choose the protocol type. Select the car model and year. Then click Update. For the first time, the head unit must be connected to the network. You can use a mobile hotspot. After setting the protocol, the touch air conditioning starts working. Everything is fine. You can make Bluetooth calls. Use the steering wheel buttons to answer and hang up. Supports DSP sound quality adjustment. The radio auto searches channels. Play local music from a USB drive. Supports online music with internet connection. Watch movies. Video playback. Supports multiple formats. Supports Carplay and Android Auto. Use Siri voice control for calls. And maps, it's very versatile. Testing is complete, no issues. Now we reassemble everything. Remove the original clips and attach them to the new parts. Then install the new parts and vent panels in place. Here's the final result. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us.